So I'm gonna start off, I'm gonna do my base with it. I'm not sure with the clear. I'm kind of spooked. All right. Welcome back to another episode of The Trigger Man. I am your host, The Trigger Man. Welcome. Today, we're gonna be spraying this here Hyundai. Damage on the quarter, damage on the rear bumper, a few little chips, blend, full blend into the door, okay? Easy job, right? Sure, simple enough. But today we're gonna be spraying this with a very unique gun, you know. You guys know I've sprayed with a lot of different paint guns, from mini guns with mini compressors, electric spray guns, so I'm not afraid of any of them. But this transformer gun that was sent out from Porphis, I don't know, it's got me a little shook. This is the WP99, okay? It's with the split nozzle, the V technology. This is a 1.3. Very, yeah, this is gonna be something different, okay? Now, I have sprayed with the old school guns from back in the days with the canister on the bottom, the siphon feed. So I'm familiar, I've used a lot of different guns, a lot of different styles. And yeah, this is different for me, very. But yeah, it has that split tip, and the front of the cap, if you look at the way the whole cap and the tip is set up there, it kind of reminds me of my favorite gun. It's the same, like it's the same. I'm not gonna say what it is on here, but if you guys watch my channel for more than a week, you know my favorite spray gun, and this looks identical to it. So I'm wondering if this is gonna spray identical to it. So I'm gonna start off, I'm gonna do my base with it. I'm not sure with the clear. I'm kind of spooked that, you know, cause I'm used to the way I spray, and this has this little hole here, and I really don't wanna screw this job up, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna spray base with it, and I'm gonna see how it goes, and if for some reason I feel like, you know, I don't want to attempt the clear coat on this vehicle, then we're backed up by the PRD 817, okay? So I tried some stuff, but I ain't stupid, you know, I ain't crazy. So, you know, doing some little panels or something is okay with it, but an actual vehicle that belongs to a customer, and a nice vehicle, I think this is a 2024, 2025, so, you know, I'll see. If it doesn't look like it's gonna be splashing up out of that hole, then I'll go ahead with it. So, yeah, so that's what we're gonna do, man. Give it a try, see what's up with the transformer gun. Go mask up, mix up, and we'll get to it.
Trigger man! Hey bro, man, you're using the transformer gun, huh? Man, that thing looks crazy, bro. I ain't never seen nothing like that, man. It's got the canister on the side. On the side. Oh boy, you better not screw this one up, Trigger. That's a nice car too, man. Don't go doing nothing. Look at the thing, man. It looks... it's funny looking, bro. 1, 4, 4 is 8. 18 PSI. Yeah, I mean it looks... yeah, it looks like it's doing good, but man, it just looks... it looks weird, bro. And it's a split nozzle, huh? I know you were gonna say earlier, it looks like your LPH 400. And we all know that's your favorite damn gun. Anybody watch Trigger Man and you don't know the LPH 400 is his favorite gun, then man, I don't know where you been. You ain't paying attention. But yeah, it does look similar to it, bro. It does look similar. Except it has the canister on the side, bro. Like, I don't know. You know, that's weird, man. You'd be slushing around paint. I would be scared it's gonna pop out of the hole, bro. You know? Pause. Pause. Pop out of the hole. Pause. What you got there? Oh, some 800. K800 and some Scotch Brite. Oh, Chico, you want to get a clean job on this one, huh, bro? And that old dusty damn tech rag. Man, this guy. I'm gonna start a fund, a GoFundMe, to get Trigger Man a new tech rag. Man, this guy tech rag look like he been using it since February, man. God damn, bro. Damn, bro. I ain't get you a new tech rag, man. I know your boss ain't that cheap, man, you know? Like, come on, bro. Anyway, I gonna let you go ahead and do your thing, bro. I sit back and I chime in with you later, brother. Spray on, brother. Spray on.
Okay, and if you guys are really wondering why I keep such an old tack rag, I'm not going to tell you. But what I will do is give you homework. If there are any painters that you watch that have been painting professionally for at least 25 years, I want you to ask that painter, why is it that back in the days you guys would keep a tack rag around a little longer than they do nowadays? 18 psi. Okay, ask them. Or if you've been painting for that long, you're from an era before this and you're watching, drop it in the comments for the guys. Okay, drop it in the comments for them. Old school stuff. And as far as the gun, I really like the gun. Surprisingly, you know, I thought it was just going to be something that I would make work, and yes, I made it work, but it was surprisingly 18 psi. It was surprisingly a pretty fun gun to spray with. Big wide pattern. You see the pattern on there, very wide pattern, and along with being a wide pattern, it's actually an even pattern. And I also had the fan turned in a half a turn from wide open, so even with that, the fan was still large. Okay, so it's not as bad as it seems. It's a little scary, but it's not as bad, and I'm comfortable with going ahead and putting clear through this thing and run it. Yeah, the tape around the side did give me a little more confidence that I won't get too crazy and spill it. The little hole, yeah, and I actually stopped the base coat. I had the base coat like right up around here instead of being full. So with the clear coat, I'll probably do the same thing. I'll keep the clear maybe about right here. So whatever little swishing around it does, it'll be less of a chance, you know. But yeah, so far, give it a try, man. I'm curious to see what it's gonna do on clear. So go mix up some clear and we'll get to it. Boop. Okay, so like I said, I felt a little more confident to go ahead and spray the clear coat. So that's what we're gonna do. And right now I'm shooting the clear at 24 psi. I noticed on Porphis' website they had the operating pressure at 42 psi, and I can't see this gun needing to go anywhere near 42 psi. You guys know on those LVLP spray guns I have to go up to 35 to 40 psi, but even just feeling this gun, feeling the air coming out of it, I knew that right around 24 I would be fine, and there it is. So this is at 24 psi. Out of my LPH, I usually spray 21, 22, so this is right there. The gun does use 10.2 CFM, so it's definitely not the highest, nor is it the lowest. So medium-sized compressor guys or small compressor guys doing one, maybe two panels, you'll be fine. So as I was saying, it sprays very much like my favorite spray gun. And matter of fact, after I shot the video, when I was doing a little more research, getting ready to do the voiceover, 24 PSI again. So I did see that there are guns made by Iwata that resemble this. You know, those Wilder or whatever those guns are. I don't have any of those, but they're made the same. You know, it even looks like maybe the cups would even fit. So this is an excellent alternative for someone that wanted to get into the split nozzle game, but for a fraction of the price. Again, $106. $106, and you have a true split nozzle. Okay, Porphis calls it the V-tip technology, but I'm telling you, from someone who sprays with the version of this that is my favorite gun, this gun sprays 90% similar to that gun, and this gun moves a little faster. You know, my tip in my gun is a 1.4. I put that 1.4 in there because I like to move a little faster. The split nozzles normally do slow you down, but this gun definitely 100% moves faster than my gun with a 1.3 in this gun. So the gun definitely, it moves. Okay, it's not a slow gun like normally those split tips are slower guns, and yes they are, but this one, that's not my experience with it. Again, I can just give you my opinion from my experience with the guns. And from someone that sprays with this similar gun every single day, I'm telling you, it sprays faster. Now the canister on the side, that might be a little niche kind of thing for someone. It may not fit for everyone, so I get it.
All right, we got it done. This is what we're looking like. Not too shabby. Could be better. Could be worse. So I'm okay with this. Yeah, man. WP99 V technology 1.3. Yeah, man. I like it. Trigger like he alive. Yeah. So it sprays like my favorite gun, results like my favorite gun, but that moves a lot faster. So I'm liking the speed on that sucker. Like you can move with it. And I had the pressure up a little higher. So just because I just wanted to be sure. So that was my safe default setting. Had the pressure up higher than it probably needed, but I didn't want to take any chances on this car. So you may see a little more fog than it probably really puts out. But after you get through the fog, once the fog is gone, then you have clarity, okay? Sometimes you gotta fight your way through to get to the clarity. You dig? But yeah, man, so end of the day today, we'll get it out tomorrow. It's been raining, so hopefully there's some sun out tomorrow. But I mean, like, we don't even really need no sun. You see what it could do, man. That thing is nice. That thing is very nice. Porphis never disappoints. Porphis never disappoints. And yeah, a lot of you guys were hitting me up too about this gun, asking me if the 817 had like a purge or something in it. Like, I didn't see nothing. Like, I've used it about 7-8 times now. I haven't seen any issues with it. I've taken the cap off, cleaned it out. Like, I don't see nothing wrong. You guys were saying that someone did a review on it and theirs was messed up. Like, I don't know. I think you said people said that the gentleman took it apart. Maybe it wasn't put back together properly. I don't know, but it sprays flawless to me. You know, I get results like this here out of these Porphis guns, man. Like,
No disappointments. Never a disappointment. Never. So, all right, so that's it, man. So we'll get it out tomorrow and take a peek. Boop. Next morning, top of the morning to you, top of the morning. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. This is what we're looking like here. This is what we're looking like here. Very, very minimal orange peel, just the way you guys like it. I know you guys are obsessed with glass, so there's some glass for your ass. Okay. Very, very, very minimal texture, looking real fine for the price of $106, not $109. Okay. Get yours for Christmas, just in time. Okay, okay. All right, but yeah, all seriousness, good gun. I will leave links in the description. End of the day, remember, it's only a spray gun. Now go have fun. Okay, so very good gun. Surprised me. And also, I noticed in the video while looking at the footage, there is a little ding right there in the quarter panel. I know the smart asses are gonna find that and say something. So I will leave you the direct fax number for the complaint department, because this ain't it. Okay, so I will leave you the fax number. You can fax in your complaints and say how there's a dent in the quarter panel. Okay, so that's it. There will be a link in the description for the gun. Unfortunately, you missed the Black Friday sale, but lucky for you, they're having a white Christmas sale. All right, so everything at Porphis is on sale for Christmas. Link will be in the description in case you want to take a peek. Get your first split nozzle at an affordable rate. I want to thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.